we recognize a group of Americans who served in the Great War and lived to tell of it for the better part of a century. We honor these heroes, and we want to hear their stories. One of them, I am delighted to say, is here with us. Frank Woodruff Buckles, age 107, is one of the last American veterans of the war.
As the years went along and the decreasing numbers of veterans, I found that I was among those who had served, the last ones who had served. And it is an honor to be here to represent the veterans of World War I. I thank you.